Hi there guys, welcome to our cooking show. My name is Jason and this is Felicitas.
Hallo!
So Felicitas is a food tuber from Germany and the winner of 4 cooking shows on television here. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Fantastic, superstar. So Felicitas, what are we cooking today?
We make Apfelküchle. It's a sweet dish from the south of Germany.
That's where you're from?
Yes, but now I live in Berlin.
Oh, Berlin, I like Berlin. Should we get started?
Let's go!
So how do we prepare this dessert today?
For this dish we only need 2 things. I do the dough and you do the apples.
I'm at a loss for apples. Do you have any apples there? Not so much. So, what do I do with these?
You have to peel them
Uh-huh.
and cut them in slices.
Okay, I think I've got some utensils for this, yes. A peeler, a knife. Watch out with a knife.
Good, good.
So I'm peeling these apples very professionally. Why are
Have you
looking...
done this before?
I have, yeah, many a time. I think I'll get this in one go, to be honest.
While you peel the apples, I do the dough. It's a very simple dough.
And what's special about growing up in southern Germany, especially around Christmas time?
One thing I like about Germany is the Christmas markets.
Oh,
I think this is very, very,
yes.
very special.
Some Glühwein, a little bit of
Apfelküchle. You
There
can get them on
we
the Christmas
go.
markets, of course. So I put in 2 eggs in the dough.
Sure. And then after you've got the apples and the dough, there's nothing else that's involved? No beer?
Why do everyone think like Germans have to put beer in everything? I put in some milk into the dough.
Uh-huh.
And when you do a dough, it's very important to spill a little bit everywhere, like on your dress or on the table.
That's
So
my
it-
secret too.
It looks like you worked, you know?
Do I start slicing? Going this way?
I watch you. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Ah, good.
Oh yes.
This looks like real Apfelküchle slices. I also put in a little bit of sugar, but not too much because after we cook the apples, we will also turn it in sugar and cinnamon again. So
Okay.
we don't need too much sugar in the dough.
Okay.
The dough has to be quite thick, like that, so that it sticks to the apples. You have to get rid of the core,
The core, okay.
and we prepared something for you, like a little star somewhere.
Oh yeah?
The German word is Ausstecher.
Ausstecher.
Normally you use it for German Christmas cookies. We
Yeah.
call it Plätzchen. Can you say Plätzchen?
Plätzchen?
Oh,
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Okay, well I've done 2 here that look, oh they're beautiful. Look at you, you're a superstar.
can you hand them over to me so that I can fry them?
I can do that to you.
Yay! So we need a pan now
Okay,
and a little bit of oil, just normal frying oil.
certainly.
And we have to wait a little bit until it heats up. So what can we do?
We can have a party.
You can dance for me.
I can dance, I'm a good dancer. I watched a YouTube video on how to dance.
I think the oil is hot now.
Okay, oh, now I understand your German humor. What's next?
I need you in the kitchen to help me frying.
You need the big star, okay.
Okay,
Here I am.
so you take the apples.
Okay,
Just make sure that the whole apple is covered.
okay, I think so.
Okay, and then,
Go in?
yes.
Ah.
Okay, I do the last one.
Yes, please do. I don't trust myself.
Sugar and cinnamon.
Okay,
Just take these 2 and mix them.
sugar, cinnamon. I can just all in.
Yes.
Okay.
Ja.
Yeah.
The Apfelküchle.
Apfelküchle.
Apfelküchle. And we just put it in. Turn
Like a
it.
donut, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple donut.
Wow. This can't get any better, I have to say.
Oh yes, it can get better if you
Oh.
put some whipped cream on.
Oh, you sent me to heaven. Oh, you do want some? Look at that. Amazing. Thanks for coming on the show, Felicitas.
Thank you very much for having me. And if you guys want to cook this recipe at home, you find it on the Instagram account German Culinary.
Thanks for watching Cookside Down and Merry Christmas.
Fröhliche Weihnachten.
Fröhliche Weihnachten.
Almost.